It's not only about training. It's all about feeling like family when you're not even family technically. We come here for training. Uh, you guys, the way you guys welcome your trainees here, and the knowledge and the time you spend with them, and you really mean it, and you want them to be successful, showing the facility to sharing the knowledge, the insight, and your 15, 18 years of experience of running the successful restoration business. It has helped me a lot, setting up our company and the knowledge, and I'm still like coming here. Today is not training, I'm still here to see you guys. So it's amazing.
Awesome. And you've grown your company really nicely in a short time. In 1 year, you went from 0 to how many?
We do have like 6, 7 trucks now. And
wow.
Close to 15 employees.
That's
awesome. It has been a challenge, but knowing right people and having right help will get you through it. Road is tough, journey is amazing. I love restoration business and the customers and the challenges. But when you have someone to call, and especially RTI, and you guys are amazing. Actually, I'm so grateful, and it becomes so much easier. But what you need is passion for the business that you do and helping customers, and you can get through anything, I guess.